Welcome to TRC Rocks, your virtual session for registration and orientation for college success. Today, you'll learn key things to help you become a successful student at Three Rivers College. If you need help or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to anyone at the college. Helping you is what we're here for. We want you to excel in every aspect of your education and in life. So congratulations on taking this step towards a better future, and welcome to Three Rivers College.
When you become a Three Rivers College student, you receive a username and password for your college webmail, Blackboard, MyTRCC, and Office 365. When logging in for the first time, you will use the same username and password combination for each one. Your username for Blackboard and MyTRCC will be the first initial of your first name, your full last name, and the last 4 digits of your student ID. To log into your student email, use that same username, but add @mymail.trcc.edu. So, Rocky's email address would be rrader3456@mymail.trcc.edu. Your password will be a $, the first initial of your first name capitalized, the first initial of your last name lowercase, your birthday in 2-digit month and day and 4-digit year format, and an exclamation point. For example, Rocky's password would be $, capital R, lowercase r, 0701 1966, exclamation point. You will be prompted to change your MyTRCC password the first time you log in. Your password for Blackboard and webmail are the same. So, if you change your webmail password, it also changes your Blackboard password. For security purposes, you should change this password after you first log in. To change your Blackboard and webmail password, log in to your webmail and click Change My Password. If you have any questions about your username or password, please call the Welcome Center. Webmail is your student email account. Use your student email to correspond with your instructors and advisors, as well as financial aid, student accounts, and other offices at Three Rivers. Be sure to check your TRC email regularly for correspondence, notifications, and more. When required, please respond to emails in a timely manner. Your student email address and password also gives you access to Office programs such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Blackboard is where you will access your classes throughout the semester. Your Blackboard password is the same as your webmail password. MyTRCC is where you can find links to things like your class schedule, final grades, transcript order form, and financial aid self-service. Before you register for classes at Three Rivers, you'll need to meet with an advisor. You will have 2 advisors, a general advisor and an academic advisor. Both of your advisors are available to meet with you and register you for classes in person or virtually via Zoom, phone, or email. Your general advisor will help you plan and schedule your classes each semester, guide you through transferring to a 4-year college or university, entering the workforce, and answer questions about your degree or certificate plan, financial aid, or anything else. Your general advisor will reach out to you once a month, either by phone or email, to check in with you and make sure everything is going smoothly. Visit our website to schedule an appointment with a general advisor via our online scheduling system. Your academic advisor is an instructor in the area you plan to study. They can discuss courses with you, help you register, and help you plan your transfer or career path. At Three Rivers, everyone is here to help you succeed. And you are in control of your education. You are responsible for the grades you earn in your classes. If you are struggling in class or need assistance, please reach out to your instructor, the Tutoring and Learning Center, your advisor, or anyone here you feel comfortable speaking to. The Tutoring and Learning Center and the Achieve program are both located on the second floor of the Academic Resource Commons and offer tutoring services to students. In addition, virtual tutoring services are available through Blackboard. As a new student, you must complete the motor vehicle registration form, which can be found on our website. Simply fill out the short form and click Submit. The Office of Financial Aid offers many resources, including financial aid counseling, loan assistance, assistance filling out your FAFSA, help with VA benefits, and the TRC Work-Study program. If you have questions about your financial aid or need assistance, please contact the Office of Financial Aid. Three Rivers College complies with the Americans with Disabilities Act. If you need accommodations or academic adjustments due to a documented disability, please call the Office of Disability Services or visit them at the Poplar Bluff campus. The Office of Career Services offers help with resume building, interview skills, job search, and other career services. The Focus 2 assessment software can help you discover what careers best fit your skills, interests, and personality. Career Services also assists students who have prior work experience, certifications, or military experience that may count as college credit. For more information about any of these resources, contact the Office of Career Services. Student Accounts at Three Rivers accepts payment for account balances by phone or via the MyTRCC self-service module. If you need to make payment arrangements for an account balance, please contact Student Accounts. Textbook pickup begins the Tuesday before classes start. To pick up your textbooks, bring your printed class schedule and a photo ID. The College Store is located in the Best Activity Center on the Poplar Bluff campus and at every external location. If you prefer, you can order your textbooks online. If you have questions or need further assistance, contact the College Store. This video gave you a brief introduction to getting started at Three Rivers. During your first semester, you will be required to enroll in an 8-week course, GNST 090, New Student Orientation. In this course, you will learn additional information about Three Rivers and about resources available to help you be successful in your college career. Thank you for choosing Three Rivers College. We look forward to seeing you soon and hope you're excited to start your journey. Your success starts now.